Hi lovely! So I have already prepped my skin before applying makeup products. Let's start with 4 basic steps: cover, conceal, base and contour. I'll be using 3 brushes and of course 1 blender. I am using M.A.C Conceal Correct palette. First step is corrector. If you have dark spots, dark acne, use a orange concealer or corrector. Apply on your under eye or dark circle area. It gives a good coverage and a good undertone. Use it on your lip sides and nose sides. Use a blender in dab technique. I'm using Forever52 Blender. I'll be using this shade to cover my dark spots and give a full coverage. As you can see, my spots are not visible now. Choose 2 shades lighter than your skin tone to highlight your highlighting areas. These are the highlighting areas of your face. Don't forget to conceal your eyelid because you will be needing a canvas-like area to apply eyeshadow. I am using Forever52 foundation. It gives a shade to medium coverage to my skin tone. I'll be using this Pac foundation brush to blend it. I'm making sure that I am blending on my edges of my face. Choose 2 or 3 shades darker than your skin tone for contouring. Make a pout and apply it on your cheekbones. I am using contour powder to pick my contouring areas. I am using translucent powder by Sugar just to make it long lasting. I am not applying this on my contour areas because I have already baked it. And you are done. It's that easy to get a perfect base. Keep watching. Bye bye.